I'm just out here with this new bike. Just want to see how fast it goes. It is the Peace Sports, the Motomax 250. It is only about a 15 horsepower bike, similar to their other model in terms of performance. This one's a little bit more street orientated, but same engine, same carburetor, should do, you know, 65, 70-ish. Street tires this time and less weight. This bike is 276 pounds without fuel, so I just added 2 gallons, so might be right at 300 now or something. But we're about to see how fast it goes. It is, the riding position does have your knees at a nice angle like this, so it's definitely not the most comfortable for long rides, but it does feel cool, does feel fast. If this could run about 85 miles an hour top speed, this would be a real nice unit for daily riding. So we're going to see what the aftermarket community can come up with, but I'll get on this bike and we're going to use a GPS to test it at the end. This one called Speed Meter, and I'm going to reset everything, put it in mile per hour, reset 53 degrees, so it's 53 degrees near Atlanta, so elevation's 1,000 feet on 53 degrees in November. So as you can see right now, that says, oh, no miles per hour. Right here is going to show us at the end how fast we actually did go. So let's get my camera back on my helmet and let's go down the road, all right? at about probably 65-ish, maybe 70. We'll see what the GPS says though. I don't know how accurate this gauge is. Video is sponsored by bras250.com. You want a bike? Hop on there, get one, get one, get one. Alright, let's see how fast we were just doing. There it is, 70 mile per hour max over 11 miles. I just drove 11 miles and according to the GPS I hit 70, which means that speedo, I got it to about right there or so, which means that speedo's pretty darn close to accurate. If you were going to get one of these bikes, they're very thin right here. It's different than most of the bikes I've been on. And for me personally, these foot pegs, the factory foot pegs, have got to go. So there's got to be something better out there for you. Especially because your legs are like this. Your legs are like this, so you're really only touching the front. So this pad ain't that good for you, for anything really. If there's ever a Chinese bike to modify and make fast, they do this one. So thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this gave you some good info, and safe riding. Bye.